What's going on, guys? It's Decelation, and today we're back in the shop. As you can see, it still didn't finish cleaning itself. But yeah, I'm just going to continue working on. Brian's still on injured reserve. I actually forced him to stay on injured reserve this time. He still has stitches, so I don't want him risking tearing them. So it's just me again. I'm going to continue. I kind of like the system. I just started in one side and I just worked my way this way. So we're going to continue doing that. I'm just going to work on the center section now, get this organized and cleaned, and hopefully we'll have more space. That's the plan. Will the plan work out? Who knows? But yeah, we're gonna get back to work. The royal we. You guys get to watch. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everyone. As you see, I just kind of kept going and going and going. So I got this area cleaned up and then I put more crap in it. But no, this area is nice and clean. First time I can see the actual workbench. Well, I don't want to say workbench, but we're going to use this hand cleaning station because it's right by the door anyways. Notes, I don't know if that's going to stay here. It's Florida. That stays by the door. And yeah, that's a TV. Shop's getting a 60-inch TV. Yeah. I'm thinking right up there when we move this, centered right above the door. You can see it from anywhere in the shop once we get everything organized. Yeah, that's gonna be it. And that's the mount right there. But I am absolutely tired, and I'm gonna call it a wrap for today. I've cleared out more space, kind of, and that's trash and that's used oil trash, so that's gonna be out of here. But I'm pushing this way. That's gonna be a big one because when we disassemble that, that's gonna go reassembled in that corner, and this one's gonna get turned 90 degrees, so open up space in this area. And then we can finally move this where we move all that crap out of the way. Yeah. But thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, you want to see more of the shop, you're going to see it no matter what if you keep watching. But hit the subscribe button anyway. Appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit a like button and comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Have a good one, guys. Peace.